Can you buy a house after working as the QA engineer for less than 2 years? Well, I'm pretty sure you can, and Kristina is a great example of it. She owns a townhouse. It's not a house, but still, it's in Los Angeles. Think about it. It costs quite a lot, and she will tell you exactly how much. And she was one of the fastest or one of the best students in the cohort. That's why she was able to afford a house in Los Angeles a year and a half after the education. And she's a really great example for our future students. But let me introduce myself first. My name is Sergey Kromchenko. I am a founder of Codemify Bootcamp, the bootcamp that helps people to become a software QA engineers from scratch or to improve your existing skills. And if you guys feel like I'm already helping you to improve your existing skills or to gain new skills, make sure to hit that big fat thumb up button below and to subscribe to our YouTube channel and Instagram and Telegram communities. You might ask why? Well, because you'll get a lot more content, a lot more updates, and actually a lot of discounts for our QA automation engineer and manual engineer courses. Three, two, one. Let's go. All right, Kristina, I think people have seen you before, but do you want to introduce yourself just in case we're going to have some new people who we should have?
Okay, my name is Kristina. I finished his course, his QA course, manual and automation part. Yep. So now I've been in the industry for a while now.
Awesome. So where are you originally from?
Kazakhstan.
Yes. Great. So you were born in Kazakhstan and then you moved to US.
Yep. Almost 8 years ago now.
Nice, 8 years. Great. So you have recently bought a house with your hubby, right?
Yeah, we do.
Perfect. And this is it, right?
Yep.
Your first house.
Yep.
Awesome. What city is it? Panorama?
Yeah, North Hills.
North Hills.
Yeah.
California, Los Angeles, North Hills. Perfect. How much does it cost?
It was $450.
$450.
Considering that it's a townhouse, it's not a house. It's a townhouse.
Townhouse,
Yeah.
$450.
Yeah.
$450,000.
Yeah.
Nice. Now, okay, what's the square footage?
1,100.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah, that's actually not at all, because when we started to look for a place to buy, actually was way smaller footage. Plus it was much more expensive. Plus there was no some amendments like garage, backyard. So I consider myself lucky, actually.
So true, so true. In the garage, I saw you have a car and you have a motorcycle, right?
Correct, yeah.
Do you bike or is it your hobbies?
My hobbies. I'm just a behind rider. Yeah.
Awesome. So you're working as the QA engineer and you bought your first house.
Yeah.
And seems to be that's the dream comes true, right?
Yep, yep. If you work really, really hard, the dream that you have is gonna come true sooner.
That's true. The harder you work, the sooner the dream will come.
It pays off. Correct.
That's awesome. So where does your husband work?
He works in advertisement. He's a senior content producer, but he has experience working on movies too. But it was while back when he was still in college.
So let me ask you a very interesting question. So when you guys were buying a house, it was because you and your husband had good jobs, right?
Correct.
Let's say if your husband would not have a job and you would keep your job, would you be able to buy this house?
Probably not, because in Los Angeles it's very expensive. It's really hard. So you have to be double income and you have to have pretty much similar paycheck.
Nice.
Yeah. Otherwise, his salary is really, really good, but at that time I was making twice less than I make right now. So it would be really, really hard.
Yeah, makes sense. So you were making twice less when your husband was
twice less. So I've been in industry for year and a half, almost 2 years. I think like March is going to be 2 years. So yeah.
Okay, before the QA job, you were making twice less than your husband did.
Yeah.
Nice. How about now? Do you make more, less?
No. He still makes more money.
That's good.
That's my goal, though.
Your goal is to make more than him.
Not just to prove something, but just to for the good, just to have more money, have better house.
Exactly.
Have
For the better
kids. Yeah, for better life for our kids, just for the future, for everything for our family.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Awesome. So you said you've been working in this field for 1.5 years, right?
Yeah, correct.
Great. Can you remind people your story? How did you get your first job and probably your second one? Because now you have a second one, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah. So my first job was as a contractor, and I got actually a full-time offer, but then because of economy, whole QA team got laid off and I had to look for another job. Quite was stressed because just my dream came true. I got my full-time offer. But yeah, I looked for a job for maybe a month. In that hard period of time for all Americans, I would say, when people would get laid off in any industry, and especially in IT, I found a job pretty quickly. So within a month, considering that I had 6 rounds of interviews, and of course it wouldn't be possible to have all 6 rounds in a week, so it would be probably a couple in a week. So it just took a longer time just because of the many rounds of interviews. So it was probably total a month, maybe a little slightly over, and I got my full-time position, hybrid, working once from office and the rest from home.
So 1 day per week from the office?
Correct. Yeah.
That's awesome. The company is located in LA, right?
Yeah.
Where at?
It's Santa Monica.
Nice.
Yeah.
Next to the beach.
Next to the beach. Correct.
What a life. Awesome. So you had your first job, then you got laid off, and then it took you only 1 month to find a job.
Yeah.
When was it? In June 2022?
Yeah, probably we got laid off, talking about the entire QA team, probably end of June. And because I had a trip to visit my family planned already in advance, so I started a new job in middle of August. It's just because it was in Kazakhstan for 3 weeks. So actually I had my last round of interview in Kazakhstan. They had to wake up slightly earlier than they would for somebody in America. Yeah, but it was actually nice that they accommodated their schedule. Yeah.
That's amazing. So they did wake up early for you.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And that was in summer 2022, right?
Yes.
So when a lot of layoffs had been happening, you got a job within 1 month.
Correct. Considering that it's just many rounds of interviews and it was in Kazakhstan and it just took some time. Yeah.
That's awesome. Did you increase your salary by getting your second offer?
Yes. It was increased and better benefits.
Percentage-wise, what would you say it was?
About 25%.
That's amazing. 25% more money if you guys get laid off. Do you want to get laid off? I do. Hey guys, we're almost hitting 100,000 subscribers, so make sure to subscribe it because we still need just 89,400 some.
And better benefits.
That's awesome. Can you tell us more about benefits?
So I have 401k, I have unlimited time off, I have opportunity if let's say I want to sharpen my skills, I want to take some courses, QA courses, maybe to learn some new tools, also they can pay for that. And also we have more days off. We also have a week.
Extra week?
Christmas time. So
nice.
Also, because it's a ticketing system, we have opportunity to have tickets comped, so free ticket to some events.
Oh, that's cool.
It really depending on the client, because last year I went to a concert for free. Muse tickets were insanely expensive, so probably I wouldn't have gone myself.
Yeah.
But I had this beautiful opportunity. 401k, FSA, HSA, also company shares, and maybe some more. I'm just might forget, and just to have on top of my head right now.
That's nice. And a company shares are
medical
awesome
insurance,
thing.
dental insurance, visual, of course.
Yeah, company shares are very valuable if the company is doing okay, if the company is growing. Because yesterday I got a message on the LinkedIn, and I own several thousands of shares of one company I used to work for, and I've been offered, it's a private company for now, but maybe in the future they will go public, and I've been offered $21 per each share, so multiplied by several thousands. So
amazing.
You better work hard and get more
I
shares.
do. I do.
That's awesome. Do you like your latest job?
I do a lot. I enjoy it so much. Yeah.
That's amazing. What's the best part about it?
Best part, probably because I'm active person. I'm always doing something, and I don't like getting bored. So this is very agile environment. So we have often releases, many features to test, many opportunities to test different tools. Yep.
That's cool. That's cool. So you're learning a lot of new things.
Yeah, a lot of new things, automation, web automation, API testing, API automation, and different tools like webhooks, how you test deep links, and so on. And
Nice.
it's versatile of, yeah.
That's amazing. That's amazing. And I'm going to take a second to advertise our course. Tell me, how do you feel about getting your first job and getting your second job? How much did the skills that you have received from the school help you to be efficient in your job, aside of getting the job?
Oh, definitely a lot. I'm not from IT industry in the past, so I didn't have any experience prior. So I was more of a salesperson. I had a lot of experience in sales, also managing team, but definitely not IT. And I was surprised that this course was easy to follow. And I think I succeeded because any assignment I would get, I would solve it quickly. So sometimes it's not just because you're smart, you process information quick, but just because it was prepared in a way that the person that does not have any IT experience can quickly pick up and go on.
And honestly,
yeah, definitely, it was a lot of material, a lot of information.
And honestly, I would say
a lot of support.
That's true. I'm very supportive.
Yeah, webinars and constant support.
But one of the most important things is that Kristina did study more than almost anyone else in her group. She did study on the weekends. She would study, actually, she did study on the weekends. She did study at nights. I remember getting messages late night asking. I get questions from Kristina, but this is what differentiates you from everybody else. You show your attitude. You show how much effort you're going to be putting into your job even before getting it. How much energy you put into course will correlate with how fast you're going to get that job, as Kristina did say in the past.
Yep. Yeah, definitely. But yeah, from my side, I tried my best. I try hard. And because if you're paying for courses, you might as well work hard and try to make sure that it was for something.
Exactly. Exactly. It was for this. She owns the house now.
Yeah.
Townhouse. But in the future, she will own a big house on the middle of Los Angeles.
Yeah, but for now we have to start somewhere and then make your dream bigger and try to pursue it. Yeah,
that's a good beginning. So how about the next one? Where are you guys planning to buy the next house?
We honestly considering different state, maybe Florida, climate-wise, and also you can buy a nicer house for the same amount. If talk about Los Angeles, so I would consider West Los Angeles, maybe Playa del Rey, Playa Vista.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good places. That's for sure.
Definitely.
And sounds like you got a dog.
I do, and she's crying. She really wants to come and say hi to everyone.
She's such a sweet girl. What's up, girl? Whoa! What's up? What's up, girl? What's up, girl? What's up? What's up? So $450,000 townhouse. How much do you pay monthly?
Around so if we don't take account HOA fees, which are really high because we have amenities, pool, we have hot tub, areas taken care of. So without HOA fees, it's about 3,700.
Not bad, not bad. Okay, and how much is HOA?
HOA 500.
So the total is 4,200 monthly.
Yeah, correct.
Nice. And what's the APR?
7.2. It's really high. Yeah, it's really high. So that's what home owners do. They wait till market changes, the rate goes down, then you do a refinance as many times as possible to lower it down. But this is the reality that every Angelina faces in this very expensive city.
Yeah, I know. I did refinance in 2021. I'm one of those who are very happy now.
Yeah.
And how do you guys feel how affordable it is for two people who are working full-time jobs as the QA automation engineer and as a, oh my gosh, that doggy is crying.
So I will say for now, double income, no kids, it's affordable. If you're really smart about your budget, still saving money, but you have enough money to travel, treat yourself properly, you work hard, and also you rest even harder. This is very much affordable for us. For now, we wouldn't have kids. It's really hard to say how much funds would need to go towards a child. But yeah, so far so good.
Nice.
Go outside, Lita.
So how much would be a down payment? How much did you guys pay for the down payment for this house?
We paid 3.5%, but I think for a family that just got a house for the first time homeowners, it's 3%. We paid 3.5%, but I think in order to have percentage lower, you need to pay 20%. But it was impossible at that time.
Yeah. You got to pay 20% to avoid insurance.
Correct.
Mortgage insurance.
Yeah, correct.
That makes sense. Awesome. Any advices you want to give to people who did sign up for the course or want to sign up for the course and they are hoping to buy a house like you do?
If you are from non-IT industry, just have more patience. I would say be more diligent, work extra hard, and never stop. Because at first it might seem it's something difficult, something that you cannot learn because it's completely new, right? For you, it just seems that at the really beginning, but as you're going with the course, you're getting more knowledge and you start to actually understand. Just never stop, because I know a lot of people that actually graduated course, not this course, but different courses, even in Russia or Kazakhstan, around the world. And they would be like starting, paying for the course, and quitting. Just because they would be like, it's just something difficult. I don't want to do that. So just overcome that moment when it seems hard.
Yeah. Yep.
And then just promise you things gonna get easier, so much easier.
That's true.
And actually fun.
That's true. A lot of people do give up halfway, and I have to call them. I have to push them through. And when I do it, then they get a job and they are crying and telling me, thank you for pushing me through, because I would give up on my own. So if you guys want to change your life, make sure that you are ready for it. It's going to be challenging. It's not going to be too easy, but it is doable, as we can see with Kristina.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you for another round of interview. Hopefully next one we're going to record in your next house in Florida or in Beverly Hills.
Yay.
This video was very inspirational, and if you guys have any questions left about a QA career, feel free to give me a call at this number right here. And if you're interested in changing your career to become a QA engineer or a QA automation engineer, feel free to follow this link to learn more. Thank you for watching us, and I'll see you next time.